Okay, so you're gonna look at the designs that you've picked to use on your zentangle. I've selected a few, different sections that I'm gonna use. I'm not doing the entire thing, I'm just using parts of it, so like one of these. Or if we look at like this one, doing just like a little section, like a pizza slice of that, or like sections of this, but not having to fill it in like it's a box. Okay, even places on this. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Oh, and like this knitting one right down here. Okay, so if you look on this one, I've put that right here on mine, but I've chosen to do 3 on each of these and 5 for this one. And so I'm not doing the whole pattern. Okay, I want mine to look kind of organic on the outside where there's not an outline. Okay, and so I've kind of done that where I've just selected pieces. So like this knitting one here, where you see it here, this one right here, where you can see that I've just used like a section of it right here. This one, these like little flowers, for this one, I have that kind of started here. So I've kind of selected a few. I'm not making you do a certain number of these. You just need to figure out something that's going to fill the space. For me, I wanted mine to be symmetrical. So like I'm doing the same thing on this side as I am over here. And then the same thing like on the top and the bottom and kind of mirroring those. But that's just something that's a personal preference of mine. Okay, so I'm just filling these up. What you need to make sure that you're doing is you're not doing anything to the letters right now. The letters are staying white, okay, meaning they wouldn't have any design on them. Eventually these are going to be outlined in Sharpie, and then we're going to put rubber cement on top of them, so when you put watercolor over this, it's not going to go on that section of the paper. Okay, so that'll make it easy. But that's where we're at right now, is you are selecting the ones that you want to do and then drawing them on this. This should be exactly what you want this to be and what you want it to look like before I give you a Sharpie. Like I would have to see everything in pencil ready to go. So if you showed it to me like this, I would say, go draw the rest of this. And if you say, well, I want it to look like this side, well, then go draw it. Okay, so make sure it's all the way done in pencil, and then I will give you a Sharpie to go ahead and start outlining it. And then we will work on the rubber cement after that.